Hi everyone, it's Damien for another video. On the last video, I actually prepared the model level for actually allow user to collaborate on a task. And now I'm going to actually work on the controller layer to make that happen. Whilst I will still have the views to work on, but obviously I'm gonna I'm gonna continue with the controller level. So I'm going to close all of that because I don't really need them anymore. Probably this one is still good. Okay, so I'm going to create a controller. So Rails generate controller, and that will be a controller for collaboration. Collaboration helper, blah blah blah. All right, so I have my controller here. No, it's not actually not that. I'm going to close all of that as well because now I'm not really using it. Not really using it. So here is my controller, right? Nothing inside it, right? So what we need is actually a way to sort of put lines or records into the collaborations table and delete record from this collaborations table. So we're gonna have a create method. So let's start with a create. So basically we're not going to, re-event oh, I forgot the name, but basically re-event the rule. It's not the rule, it's oh man, I forgot. Well, we basically get inspired from that method right here. And actually I'm not going to copy paste everything. I'm probably, well, actually create and that. And what basically you want to do is to have the task, not the task, but the collaborations created with the basically I'm just going to put that line in right here. It's not really a task, but it's actually gonna call it collaboration params. This is actually well, maybe I need I actually need a new, yeah, I actually need a new first actually, because I'm gonna have page where yeah, basically I need a new first. Because I will have to go to a page. I'm just thinking while I'm doing it. I go to a page where I'm gonna choose which collaborator will actually work on a particular task. So I will have a list of collaborators and a list of, yeah, I definitely need that. Collaboration, this is collaboration I gonna have to sort of make the route for that, which is collaborations, only sort of new for the moment. New, oops. All right. And I would have to obviously create a view for it. Where is those view? Where are those views? JavaScript. Here we go. So I have new. Oops. Did I? Okay. New file. New ERP. I'm gonna put create, let's say, new collab. And add your oh my god, collaborators. Blah, I'm going to run the server. So here, if I refresh, is it working? Yeah, it's working. Just going to put that there. Are you sure it's working? Yeah. Okay, so now if I do oh my god, collaboration / new collaboration / new, I will get into my page, which is not that, obviously, which is probably this one. Yeah. Okay, so here I'm on that page. And now what I want to do is to have a form where basically I will have a list of collaborators to add to a particular I'm thinking of a way of doing it visually, but basically what I want to have is to have a select where I can select, oh maybe, well maybe not there, because if I go back to task, for example, I will have a button here. I will have a button, add collaborator, will put me, I'm not sure I need a controller for that. To add a collaborator for that particular task. And I'll have to choose which one. who I want to add, right? So the thing is, I will have already. Okay, so if I do something like my task, I shouldn't have done that actually. I should have done my task member, not member. Like here I do, and then put that into it. Let's stop the server for a moment. Let's see the route. Break route. I think there is an S, but I'm not sure. I don't remember. It's hard to. I should have draw before. Yeah, it's with S. You know it. So why don't you do it for me? Okay. So if I go into where is it? Task. I have my task. Huh. Did I save that? Yes, I saved it. My task. It's actually weird. Because I would expect something onto my task, but looks like there's not. Okay. What if I do maybe member, I think. Not sure that would change something, but okay. Yeah. I knew I was about to sort of, because you can only create collaborators onto the task that you have created, and that route is actually problems. And I don't know what to do about it. I think I will have to define. Just thinking, guys. So I think I will have to sort of redefine that route. Or one thing could be like if you are connected, you can see all the tasks. If you are not, no, if you are not connected, you will see all the tasks. If you are connected, you will see your task only. And you see your task only, and what is going to happen is so you will be able to actually add the, you will have the add button, and because if you're not connected, not here but actually here. Okay, so let's say that you do that, and then so that means that you want is there any I'm thinking about to be able to, for example, if you're not connected, you will see all the tasks existing into the app, but if you're connected, you will see only yours and only the one probably you're collaborating on. Is that the only way? It makes sense in a way. that will be index. Okay. Okay, so let's try that. Let's get rid of that. Let's put that in standby for the moment. And let's try something here. If what is it? Yeah, if current user or device yeah, for sure, it's not what I want. I think there is a if signed in or something. In the layout I would have found it. Yeah, that line. Oh, this one, I mean, I guess. And on the layout, you do something, where is it? Okay, so let's try that out. What? Right, okay. What is the issue? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, there is no route for it. Oh, it's probably because I didn't. Okay, now I have that. What I want to do now is, sorry, I haven't been talking that much on that one. So now, what I want to do is basically on a task. I think I can do that. Oops. No, it's not what I want to do. Clear that up. Let's see the route. Okay, so this is what I want you to have. You have the task ID, you have the collaboration, and then you actually can um, create your collaborator. The thing is, the way to do that is to the way to do it. So if you look at, so we have been quite all over the place, but I have to redo some stuff. What I wanted to do at the thing was like, okay, in the index of a task, now I want to add a button. It's not even that, it's actually the list. And on the list, I want to have button saying add collaborator. And that button will show only if you are connected. So I will have to specify it. Then you go there. Oops. Oh, okay, yes, I know why. Task. Okay, now you go there. You have the task, and now you just have to select which actually collaborator you want to add. So just sort of a recap of what I've done. There was this task right here, I mean this route right here, which I actually get rid of. So because it was actually causing me sort of an issue. But I replaced it, I mean I changed the way it was working basically. So if you look at the task controller now, I had this method right here before, which was there. And we watch linked to the route I showed you. And now what I'm going to do is, okay, I go into the index. You pull from the database all the tasks, and then it's fine. And then if there is a user connected, you pull the task of this user, right? So this is how I replace the way it was working rather than having a specific route for it. So I got rid of that. Oops. No. It's still good. It just, where is it? Okay, I got rid of that. Now, when I will add a collaborator, I will look into the URL, okay, on which task I'm gonna add the collaborator. And here I will select which collaborator. I will have a select here, and I will select the collaborator I want to add on this task. So I'm gonna stop here because I think this video is quite long. I'm going to sort of clean that up as well because route, okay, I'm gonna get rid of that. And this should be, I mean, I'm going to do it later. And here, I don't know if I'm gonna, yeah, let's stop here. I'm going to stop here, guys. Going to commit git status. Okay, so git add git commit and signed. For collaboration, hold on. Git push origin master. Okay, guys, thank you for watching.